What's going on, everyone? This is Kunal. In this video, I'm going to discuss the project called Theta Token. But before we get into that, let's first talk about the concept behind Theta Token, decentralized video, and also about a potential use case. So we have the Internet of Things that's coming up in the future, and it's starting to come already. And the idea behind the Internet of Things is you're going to have more and more devices connected to the internet, and you're going to have more and more devices with smart screens on them, where you can have human interface devices with computers. So the point being is that as more and more screens are generated across the country and across the world, you're going to have more and more chances for video streaming across every single device that's going to be connected to the internet. Now, so when you see a situation like this and you have, like, for example, a smart home, you have many appliances inside that smart home that are going to be connected to the internet. And a potential use case for decentralized video streaming is going to be, for example, let's take this washing machine. In the washing machine, you can have a video screen on the washing machine that can be used by the owner of the washing machine to basically sell that washing machine to advertisers to advertise their detergent, for example. Like, let's say Tide or Bounty or something. They can advertise their detergent on that washing machine at the laundromat or something. And the point being is that this potential use case could be, hey, you can decentralize the people who make money off of ad revenue, and at the same time you can create a system where advertisers can more efficiently target their consumers. So that's a potential example of a use case of decentralized video streaming in the future. But now let's talk about Theta Token and what it brings to the table and what problems it's solving and how it's going to address those problems. So first, the problem. Live streaming of today has many different problems. Number one, low quality video streaming. Today's content delivery networks lack reach, cause pauses, skips, and lower quality video in too many parts of the world. Number two, high cost of streaming infrastructure. Publishers absorb the high cost of operating a CDN content delivery network, leaving less revenue to pass on to content creators. And number three, centralized and inefficient ecosystem. So the centralized nature means less revenue flows back to content creators and results in less innovation. So you can see how they set up the content creator, publisher, centralized content delivery network, and then you have the viewer. So that's the problem. So what is the solution that Theta Token offers? Decentralized video streaming powered by users and an innovative new blockchain. So here's what it brings to the table. Number one, viewers earn rewards as Theta tokens. For sharing bandwidth and resources, a viewer can now earn Theta tokens as a direct reward and share it back to the creators. Number two, high quality, smooth video streaming. A peer-to-peer decentralized content delivery network delivers streams efficiently throughout the world. This is going to be so important as you are going to increase the volume of devices that are going to be able to be capable of video streaming across the world. I mean, you're talking about a future where you can where you would be able to have all these different devices, and you can't have centralized servers be the delivery mechanism for these video streams. It just won't happen. It's too much volume, too much bandwidth is needed. So that's why decentralization is better, because it's described here that decentralized content delivery networks deliver stream efficiently throughout the world. And number three, reduce cost of delivering video streams. Publishers and content creators no longer need to develop expensive infrastructure, allowing for more innovation and unique business models. So that's the solution. So I'll actually go to this one first, open source platform, because it describes Theta Token more. Then we'll talk about why Theta. So open source platform here is open to all developers and partners to build on the Theta network. And look at some of these use cases that can be used for this. So you have esports, right? Streaming esports across the world. How cool would it be if every single little screen connected on the Internet of Things can stream an esports if you want to? Or music, you can stream a concert, or you can stream a TV or a movie show, or a movie or a TV show. You can stream an enterprise conference by creating, a private network, and then you can stream a conference around the world. You can stream a class around the world, or you can stream, anything you want to, a local game, anything like that around the world. And if you think all the problems between YouTube and Twitch, you can figure out why decentralized has a chance. And number 2, decentralized apps. So video platforms and content providers can build specialized decentralized apps for their audience. So you can tailor it to their need. And number 3, multiple content verticals, from esports, music, TV, and movies to distant learning and peer-to-peer live streaming, power the next generation entertainment. So why Theta token? Here's the advantages that Theta token would bring and the Theta network would bring over current solutions. End-to-end decentralized video delivery. Theta has that, current solutions don't. Native Theta blockchain and protocols plus ERC20 compliant tokens, so the ability to have the token going. Support decentralized apps, as we discussed. Current solutions don't have that. And existing platform with 1 million MAU and growing. Theta token has that one. So here's an example of traffic overview, of video traffic overview on desktop and mobile web in the last 6 months, and it explains, if you go through May to that, you start, this is from actually from February 2018 through July 2018, and it shows an increase and a continuing rising increase in video traffic month over month for the most part. So that's Theta token for you guys, and I hope I explained the use case well for why something like Theta token has real world application in today's view. For the advertising use case that is described is pretty cool, but even further than that, all the use cases that are described in this quick video here about, for example, esports or movies or entertainment. I mean, we've seen plenty of sci-fi movies in the future where they have these videos, telescreens, and things of that nature, streaming all this stuff constantly. But Theta token could be something that can actually provide the network backbone for something like that to be possible every day. So if you look at Times Square right now, instead of them putting up one 10-second video that's going to keep playing over and over again, right? They could actually stream something for real, and it's going to be decentralized instead of centralized, which is what we're trying to get to here in the cryptocurrency space. Anyway.